Okay, let's make a C64 serial cable. Because mine isn't long enough. So, two connectors, a piece of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I'm not sure if 5 core will work. Should it be 6? Don't know. Well, we'll see. Tabs, never get them off. Get them off. There we go. So, obviously, we need this one first. It's a habit to get into, whether you've got access or not to the end, because if you don't put it on, you'll forget. How will I know you forget? Because I forget. Everybody forgets. So put that on first. Trim your wires to length. We shall tin them. Eventually. There we go. But anyway. Should use a 6-core cable, but I appear to have a 5-core cable when I thought it was a 6. So I shall use a 5-core cable. What difference will it make? Well, to be honest, I don't really know. I shall miss off the reset line, which I think I've done before, and it makes no difference. And that's a story I'm sticking to, whether I'm correct or not. But anyway, let's go. I need a tip on my soldering iron. The music you can hear, by the way, is Commodore playing on a c64 emulator. So what we'll do is, I think what we'll do is, I'll use my vice. That's what we'll do. What you should do is hold it in the plastic, but I won't, 'cause I'm lazy. We'll tin the pins on the socket, on the plug rather. There we go. You've got the shield on. Yeah, that's not terribly important. Colours, do they matter? Well, Not really. As long as they match both ends, yeah, it really doesn't matter at all. What is important is making sure the wires, make sure the wires don't flare out. So we'll have, come on, we'll go for a bit of blue, bit of blue for the dads. We'll have let's put it in properly like we should do in the first place. There we go. Right, we'll go now for a bit of orange. For no other reason than it's nearby. Go for, try a bit of black. Black, we'll have a bit of white. A bit of yellow. No, it doesn't matter where the colours go, particularly. That's not really nice. But as long as they match. So what I'll do is I will write them down. Bum, bum, bum. So we have blue, we have orange, we have black, we have white, black is actually purple, but there you go, and then we have yellow. Very neat handwriting, but there we go. So then, what you should do is attempt, time and time again, to put these bloody covers on. That pin's moved in the heat of the moment. So I'll move that back. Oh, it's actually broke. That's just cool. Has it broke? Yeah, it has. Well, I've never seen one do that before. What can I do about that? I would suspect nothing. Well, that's just bloody outrageous. Right, okay. So what we'll have to do now is a little bit of bodging. I'll use another plug. Don't want to use another plug because I'm lazy. So we shall use some tweezers. We shall heat up the centre pin and steel it because that's just the way we are. Which one's broke? Blue's broke. Blues Brothers. So we'll warm that pin up. What I should do is just heat it up and moved it. There we go. And we'll pinch at the centre of a pin. That's a terrible bodge. That's a disgrace. There you go, centre pin. And stow them mercilessly. Actually, no, we'll use those. So we have now these 4 sets of pins. Ow. Shut up, multimeter. Right, I've got a set of pins all lined up and lovely. So, back to where we were 5 minutes ago. We shall put on, possibly, there you go. Now what I'm not going to do is clamp it up. Yes, I changed my mind yet again. This is just how I roll. If you do it nicely, you should. Try that out a little bit. Push that in there. You have one end of a c64 serial lead. We shall now take this lead. Ooh. Put the cover on first, don't forget that. Oh, they're a good fit. We'll put the cover on. Right, we'll trim these back very gently. Cut the wire. And then just twist the wires up, which I probably didn't do last time and I should have done. There you go. It's been a long day and I'm tired. Long day at work. I don't like work. In fact, I'm going to retire. If anyone of those in the world of YouTube wants to give me a job doing anything, retro museum would be good. Yeah, you know, yeah, that'd be great. Retro museum. Museum anyway. I need staff. Let me know. Engineering sucks. Chasing that solder sucks. Come on. Right, full set. Go away, toothbrush. We'll break this open again. This time, we should do it properly. Clamp it on the plastic. Put a drop. Solder, as the Americans say. Solder. Drop it with solder. Solder. Drop it with solder. And the plastic will miss the whole device completely. That's exactly what I was looking for. Awesome. Well, I need to tin the middle one as well. Go on there. Done that one. Get off. Bugger off. Tin that one. And last but not least. Oh, come on. There we go. Right. So, do you remember the colours? Nope, neither do I. Right. Blue first. Got the sleeve on? Yeah. Bit of flux capacitor. Need my eyes testing. Can't see a bloody thing. Okay, blue. Now what we've got? Orange. orange, then what? Black, which is purple. Look, over there. Purple. You can use tweezers for this if it's proving impossible. Purple. White. Do you know what? Can you twist it around a bit so I can see what the hell I'm doing? Oh my god, look at that, I can see. I can see! Right, what's next? White. Let's have a bit of white. Oof, tweezer time. Tweezers, the best tool you can possibly buy. Well, that and the soldering iron. A good soldering iron. Don't get a cheap one. Says I, with loads of cheap ones. White. Yellow is last. Bit of James last. Come on. Get the hat. Get the skills. Yellow. Right. Fahrenheit soldering iron off. Pins are moderately in line. Fortunately, the heat moves them, but I can't pull them about much because they're Chinese and break in half, as I've just found out. So that should clip in there. It does, look at that. Great. What's that? Wire there. Spuriously being spurious. That is. Get that off again. Shield. Get out of the way. Make sure the shield's not touching anything. Desperately trying to. In fact, it's managed to solder itself into that wire. Get off. Gotcha. Okay, shield. Let's have a bit of shield. So, where's the shield top? Right, that goes. Groove lines up on both. It's a hard thing that you can't see. You're old and stupid. Come on. Oh, you clicked in nice before. It's a little bloody thing. Is it in? Oh yeah. It's in. Great. Should be a top piece. How's the top piece? Gone? No, it is. Top piece. Should go on there in a toppy type fashion. There you go. It's full of toppiness. Now, clamp it up. I'm not going to get too mad with the clamp. I've got a sneaky suspicion this will be coming off again. And I realise I need 6 wires and not 5. Okay, so there we have a bent serial cable. Let's see what you've been videoing. Oh yeah, let's try it. So let's try the cable I just made. I haven't tried it yet. Disk is on, computer is on. 20 I need to put one? I can't remember. You see? There you go. So the 5 cable, which should be a 6 cable, seems to be working just fine on the 64. I seem to remember doing this before many years ago, using a 5-core cable rather than the 6. I just didn't use the reset line. But anyway, so as we can see, it works. So there we go, that's how to quickly make a serial cable on a 64. Thank you very much.